Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing both devices, Fire TV and your phone. First, enable display mirroring on the Fire Stick under Settings, Display and Sounds. This opens a receiver port. Make sure both the Fire TV and phone share the same Wi-Fi network. Once done, use Android's Cast QuickTile or iOS Screen Mirroring if using an AirPlay receiver app. Do this now, because network and receiver readiness are why the connection will succeed. Skip nothing and move to connecting immediately. Once the Fire TV displays the waiting screen, switch to your phone and start casting. On Android, open Cast in Quick Settings, scan and tap the Fire TV name. On iOS, you'll need an AirPlay-compatible receiver app running on the Fire Stick, then choose that receiver. When prompted, accept connection and permission dialogues on both devices. Take your time with permissions. Audio and screen capture must be allowed for proper mirroring. After connection, verify video and sound. If lag appears, adjust Wi-Fi channel. To finish, stop mirroring from your phone or select Disconnect on the Fire TV. This frees streaming and device resources. If the connection fails, reboot the Fire Stick and your phone, then retry. Restarts clear temporary network or software conflicts. Make sure both devices are on the same band. Switch to 5 GHz for less interference if lag persists, or plug the Fire TV into Ethernet for stability. Quick troubleshooting tip: reboot first, then change bands. Most issues resolve in those 2 steps.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.